Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session, welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I am going to discuss about the types of learning. Already in the previous videos, I told about what is the meaning of the learning, what are the various types of the learning. So I discussed about the learning and the variations of the learning in the past videos. Please go through those videos in my channel. So now in this particular video I would like to give how the learning is divided into, what are the various methods that are there in each and every types of the learning. I would like to give some examples on this. Okay, so first of all we see what is the meaning of the learning. A learning is nothing but acquiring the knowledge from examples, acquiring the knowledge from experiences, whatever it is, that's called the learning. The simple meaning of the learning is nothing but acquiring the knowledge. That's called as the learning. Okay. So again, this particular learning is divided into 4 different types. In the artificial intelligence or machine learning, wherever we go, it is AI or in ML. So wherever we go, this learning can be divided into these number of the types. The first one is the supervised learning here, and this is the first one, and this is the second one, that is the semi-unsupervised learning, and coming to the third one is semi-supervised, and coming to the fourth one, that is reinforcement learning. So whatever technique we use, whatever learning technique we use in the learning mechanism, that will comes under any one of these 4 techniques. Okay, so what is the first one is supervised learning. What are the various methods involved in the supervised learning? Now we are going to see what is the meaning of the supervised learning actually. Supervised learning is nothing but the class label will be there. Prior itself the class label is predicted whenever we are generating the data, whenever we are reading the data or learning the data, the class label prior itself is predicting. Okay, that's nothing but supervised learning. That means predicting the rain and predicting the bank loan application, whether the loan will be sanctioned or not, predicting the rainfall, whether the rainfall will be there or not, predicting the weather forecasting, how would be the weather tomorrow, like that. Okay, and the student will pass or not, what is the pass percent of the student, how many number of the students will get passed, all such kind of the information is there in the supervised learning. Such kind of the information we can obtain by using the supervised learning method itself. Okay, so what are the various methods are there in the supervised learning? The first one is the decision tree. All the types of the artificial neural networks multi-layer perceptrons, single perceptrons, and backpropagation neural networks, like that, so many number of the artificial neural networks are there which supports the supervised learning, and Bayesian belief networks, fuzzy logic, like that the multiple number of the methods are working under the supervised learning. One more is KNN, nearest neighborhood algorithm. This is also one of the sophisticated method of the supervised learning. So like that we are having multiple number of the methods are there under supervised learning. So now we are coming to the second method called the unsupervised learning. So what is the meaning of the unsupervised learning? Here the class label cannot be predicted by itself, just it's nothing but just grouping of the elements whatever we have in multiple number of the classes, whatever the items are there, those we can group into the multiple number of the classes or multiple number of the groups. Okay, for example, these two are clustering and association rules. These two are very good examples for the unsupervised learning. And the third one I am going to discuss about is nothing but semi-supervised learning. This semi-supervised learning is nothing but the combination of both supervised learning and as well as the unsupervised learning. So wherever we want what kind of the learning, the class label can be predicted or class label need not be predicted, just grouping or just gathering the elements, grouping the elements based on the similarity or based on the distance, whatever it is, that is nothing but semi-supervised learning. Normally, this is one of the sophisticated mechanism comparing to these two mechanisms. And one more thing we can say, it's a combinational method by using these two methods, that is one method and two method. It is a combination of method 1 and as well as the method 2, then method 3 will comes. Okay, so it is most widely used in the deep learning nowadays. The deep learning is the latest research burning research area. So there we can use this semi-supervised learning, especially this can be implemented very perfectly in convolutional neural networks. Okay, and next one is nothing but reinforcement learning. So what is the meaning of reinforcement learning? Whenever you want to work with any kind of the agent, you have to punish it if unfruitful work and you can reward it for fruitful results. Okay, this can be carried out in the reinforcement learning. In the earlier sessions of the artificial intelligence, we discussed regarding the set of the agents, how the agent will work, in which environment it will work, and what are the various types of the agents. All these things we learned. Okay, here we need to talk about the reinforcement learning. What is the meaning of the reinforcement learning is nothing but whenever you want to work with any kind of the agent, either you have to punish it or you have to reward it. Okay, so this can be carried out with the help of the reinforcement learning. In the reinforcement learning, one of the sophisticated method that we most widely used is called Q-learning. Okay, so this is the clear information regarding the learning mechanisms which we are going to use in our artificial intelligence and as well as the machine learning methods. These are the 4 types of the learning mechanisms, and these are the various kinds of the learning types that we most widely used. In our further videos, we discuss each and every method elaborately. For further information regarding all these types of the learning methods, please go through my past videos in the machine learning. In my past videos, I have clearly given the examples and clear information regarding each and every type of the learning. So, to subscribe, to get more videos, please subscribe my channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you so much.